Hello everyone, my name is Max Ramos and I am presenting on behalf of myself and Jen Morales as to our plant botany experiment. My experiment, well, ours, was as to whether or not plants are affected by not just their light intake, but what kind of light they absorb, that which being their energy and wavelength. Here we have ultraviolet A, red, blue, and green, room light, and natural light. Now, what did we grow? We ended up growing black beans, which, although it doesn't allow us to grow anything out of them, it was quite easy to take care of. And what's the variable? As you can see, different colors. You might also notice that this isn't exactly a normal looking setup. It's engineered, which quite simply, what we did was that we took a little holder for a light bulb, and then a few cardboard boxes and some duct tape, which contains the plant, and also make sure that there's no natural or room light that enters the experiment, thereby making sure that the only light source is the little light bulb that we have in there. For the specifics as to what we have engineered, we have quite a simple setup. A box, some duct tape to seal the box, a simple holder for the light bulb, as you can see here, with the light bulb inside. This is a General Electric, I think 150, a power strip right there. And that's just about it. There's a pot for the plant, and well, that's all you really need to grow something like this. Also a spray bottle to give the plants the water that they require. For the procedures, we decided to go a pretty simple route, but still a functional one. What we did was that we took some pots, of course, and then we put a layer of potting soil approximately 2 to 3 inches thick. And then we placed our individual bean seeds. Then we layered 2 to 3 extra inches on top of that. Then we watered them, made sure that they were moisturized. Then we placed them inside of our little contraptions right here. All of these have also, additionally, for how many bean seeds we put in each one, we put 5 in each one. Onwards to the information section. The information is split into 2 separate groups. First, we have germinations, and secondly, we have the actual measurements as to the plants, which were height and leaf count, as well as total germination counts per individual potted plant. Well, plants. The first one to germinate was ultraviolet, followed up quickly by outdoor, and then up by red, then green, and then blue, with blue being the one that growed the most slowly out of the whole bunch. Finally, we have arrived at conclusions, for which I have that outdoor lighting was by far, sorry for the stutter, the one that provided the best results for the plants themselves. However, in second place, we have ultraviolet, and a close third would be red light. They both gave really good results in the first part, suggest just increasing the water dosage. I personally did 4 pumps from a spray bottle every single day. However, I would suggest increasing that to 5 or even 7 pumps towards the later phases. So, all in all, I would say that this was a very interesting experience, noticing the fact that ultraviolet was the second best growing, contrary to what I would have expected, and that green and blue had actually the most inconsistent results. All in all, I'm extremely grateful for the ability to do this project with not only one of my best friends in the school, but also simply for the ability to do this project and to learn from it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.